Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna do a pixie cut hair tutorial for you today, a quick one, showing you guys the style that I did when I cut my bangs off. I cut my hair a little shorter about 2 weeks ago, guys, and let me tell you, my hair already grew back. Like my bang, the front part of my hair couldn't even reach my eyebrows, and like it already done grow out. So it's definitely going the style that I came out with when I first cut it about 2 weeks ago. So I'm just going to show you guys how I achieve it and how it looks. So right now I'm just going to add my Nairobi and just start doing my mold. So the mold for this style, guys, is super simple and super easy to do. So I'm just gonna comb, what I did was comb everything to the front, and now I'm just gonna put some waves to the front of my hair on the heavy side, meaning like this side I have more hair on, which will be my bang side, but it's not as heavy as it used to be because I cut it. And then I'm just gonna put some waves on the other side and then just dry. See, I told you guys it was simple and easy. So here's how the mold is looking. I'm still not gonna put on my wrap cap right now because my hair is still straight. My relaxer is still going strong. And I'm just gonna sit on the dry for about 45 minutes to let it dry. So after it's completely dry, I'm just gonna go with one of my favorite oils, coconut oil, as you guys already know. I'm just gonna take this much and rub it into my mold and kind of break it up a little bit. So I'm just softening up my mold by running my rat tail comb through it, and I'm just preparing it to be flat ironed. So with this cut that I have, it's more of a textured cut, so I don't have to do that much flat ironing to it. Once I just give it a little bump in the back, and then in the front I'm gonna come forward with everything, and then around the crown of my head I'm gonna go in a circular motion. Just by doing that, it's gonna, the textures, the layer, not textures but layers, are gonna start to show up, and I don't have to do too much with it. This style is just low maintenance and I love it. I think the next time I go relax and get cut again, I'm gonna have to go a little bit shorter because my hair grows so fast. Like my hair, looking at this video now, my hair grows so fast. Like it was way shorter than this. So I don't have a specific way of curling like the back. I just picking up here and going, giving it a little bump as I go along. I just using my fingers to feel around to see like if I feel in any straight pieces, and just picking it up and bumping it. And now I'm gonna move to the front and do the same thing, but I'm gonna bring like the curls, or not really curls, but the bump forward instead of, you know, on the side going backwards. So now that I'm finished flat ironing my whole entire head, it comes out a little bit fluffy for my likings. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take a little bit of the coconut oil again and rub it through my hair again. And then I'm going to take my rat tail comb and just comb it out so you guys can see like the textured cut that it has in it. It's like a layered kind of cut. But my hair grows so much, I can't believe it. Like, it was way shorter than this. I still like surprised like how fast my hair grew. So I could leave it like this and just wear it like this, and then as the days go by it gets flattened. But I have a little hack that I use to flatten it down, because if I have to go through the door quickly and I want it like how I like it, this is what I'm gonna do. I take this is my husband wave cap he buy, but he don't want it, so he gave it to me. So I'm glad that I had this on hand. So I'm just gonna take the wave cap and tie my hair down, and then I'm gonna do what I gotta do to get ready and go through the door, and then I'm gonna show you guys how it looks afterwards. So quick tip, if you're going to use a wave cap, guys, make sure you turn it inside out so you see that line. It won't be on the inside, and when you sleeping or whatever, that the line don't print out in your hair. So I turn it inside out so I can get rid of the line. So after about like say 20 minutes, I'm gonna remove the wave cap, and this is how it comes out, guys. It's all nice and flat and wavy, and I just love it. It's just so cute. I think it's a very cute cut. I ain't even gonna lie, at first I didn't really like it because it was super short. Like my bangs couldn't even touch my eyebrows, and I was like, what the hell did I do? Why cut off my bangs? But now that it's been a couple of weeks and I grew to love it and grew to learn how to style it, I'm so in love with it. It's so convenient and it's so simple and easy. You don't have to do too much and then you're out the door, and that's what I love about it. So one thing I love to do, guys, is to just fluff up the crown part, because how she cut it, the crown part will go either direction, and it just gives me that 1990s Laura Winslow from Steve Urkel, Toni Braxton kind of feel haircut, and I'm so in love with it, guys. I think it's so sleek, so cute, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys enjoy my new cut. I can't wait to do more tutorials with it and cut it even shorter than before and show you guys how it looks. That is all for this tutorial, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it and if you found it helpful, and I can't wait to do more tutorials for you guys with my shorter hair. You guys stay blessed, be safe, and I'm gonna talk to you guys in another video. Bye bye, take care.